financial advice. Thank you for the 5 free memberships there, Sergio. I appreciate you guys so much for all the support of the Love and channel. You know the way we do this. Been in it, been grinding, been watching stuff. I was watching The Toy. You know that movie with Richard Pryor back in the day? And a little dude, I don't know, he wants a toy, and he ends up trying to buy somebody, and who cares? Listen, those movies are crazy. They could not be made today. Oh, there would be a strike in the world. But no, I was watching it because I grew up watching that damn movie. It's a terrible movie, by the way. But I'm watching other people's movies, too. It was called Other People's Money. Is that what it's called? I was watching that one, too, with Danny DeVito. So I thought I'd call the show that today. I don't know. I was chilling this morning. I was having my own time, my own space to myself, not bothering anybody, not reading the Discord. You guys are ridiculous in the Discord. Well, can we please leave the Fed alone? I mean, Kid, what's his name, Kid? Kid Capri. Let's leave him alone. Kid Caribou. Hey, Kid Caribou, here's the problem, okay? Hey, guys, listen. Before we talk about the markets, you guys know the show, okay? Before we talk about markets, before we talk about charts and everything, who cares, GameStop, all the news, about the new Switch coming out, Switch 2, about Bill Pulte being appointed to the cabinet. Before you do any of that talk, let's talk about us for a little bit. Hey, let me tell you something, Kid, okay? Kid Caribou. The reason why people have a problem with your approach and your presentation of yourself, couple of reasons. One, you're kind of sketchy. And here's why you're kind of sketchy, because you're extremely educated, okay? You're 73 years old, and you type and report, paste and copy like you're 40. All right? Your fingers work a whole lot faster. We have parents that are in their 60s that can't even tell if their phone's on or off. And then you can go through and bam, 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 bam. You must be the digital expert of our generation at 73 years old. Hell, I have plenty of people that I've worked with in my whole lifetime. They're 73. When they were 62, they were ready to call it quits. You're 73 talking about I'm applying for a new government job. I'm doing this. I'm doing Department of Homeland Security. I don't know what you're doing, bro. I don't care. I'm just letting you know that's why they're skeptical. They're skeptical because you are MacGyver, because you are the next everything. You're Neo, kid. You're the one. That's why they call you out. Me, I don't really give a shit, dude. I don't care. You got GameStop? Cool. Keep it pushing, whether you're in the Discord or not. But cruising Discords, cruising Reddit servers, that's why they're skeptical of you. I'll just speak on it now on the channel, on the platform. I don't care. I'm not scared of anything. So thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you, guys. Now, did I hear about Pulte? Yeah, I heard about Pulte. Okay, guys, for all of you out there that live in Neverland, okay, Bill Pulte, we're the first YouTube channel to interview him ever, just so that we're clear, the first independent journalist YouTube channel that we are here, we actually interviewed Bill Pulte. The unfortunate part with Pulte, okay, for people that don't know him, the handlers of Donald J. Trump, Bill Pulte has no experience whatsoever when it comes to running a successful housing business or coalition. The fact that he's on the cabinet blows my mind, but it tells me one thing: he can be controlled. If you want someone that you want to control and or to vote the way you want it to go or present anything and bring up anything, I don't know what his job specifically will entail, nor do I care. It's not going to have an effect on me personally, but I know he's controllable. He's private equity plant, for the lack of a better term. But we interviewed him here on this channel 18 months ago. 18 months ago, more than that, maybe 20 months ago, I interviewed him, and I talked to him, and I called him a snake and a coward because for all the right reasons. I've told him to his face. I've called him on the cell phone. We text, we DM, everything. He's not the type of guy that I could ever be around. Ever, and I'll never trust him. And listen, I have the same opinion about Vivek Ramaswamy. I don't give a shit how charismatic he is with his words. I'm not a supporter of him, but he's controllable. You guys got to remember these things. He says we're on a stage with the PP seats, right? And you're like, oh, PP seats was there. PP seats gives some credibility right now. No. They bought that interaction, and they brought in Ian Carroll on the same stage and gave away thousands of dollars to who. I'm going to tell you guys something, okay? This is not like a shot at any of you guys. I could never hold an event anywhere in America, and say, guys, we're going to do a meet and greet. We're all going to meet each other, Marantz Rantz and the crew. And I have thousands more real people, not bots, real people here on this channel. Internationally, domestically, everything. I have it all. Do you know what's the difference? We have jobs. We have careers. We have families. No one is going to stop what they're doing to come over here and do what exactly? What's the purpose? But if you ever want to plant someone out there, you ever want to go ahead and put some interference on what's really happening? Guys, I've tried to explain it to you like 1,000 different ways. GameStop is not the issue when it comes to the markets themselves, this financial distress and markets crumbling. No such thing. This whole way, this whole media-driven and the movies and the documentaries and all this, no, guys, wrap your head around it for a second. You think billions of dollars are going to make this crumble? You think billions of dollars is the reason why they shut down markets and trades on 9 individual securities? No, it was private equity leveraging the positions they have with their partnerships with the markets that they rig. It's a rigged market, don't get me wrong. It's Citadel, it's payment for order flow, it's all of it. It's Robinhood, Point72, Melvin Capital, it's all the same players. But they've planted these people in these positions to make a couple of billion bucks. You're going to turn them upside down? Sure. But come on, guys. The top 20 companies, the top 20 U.S. companies that trade stock represent $24 trillion. I apologize. $24 trillion. While the other 480 companies represent $29.8-30 trillion. Almost half isn't just in the top 20 trillion. People were getting bent out of shape and doing movies and calling hell and high water for $20 billion, for $30 billion market caps. That's what we're talking about? That's what we're scared of? You're scared of AMC and the revolution? That market cap of $20-30 billion? NVIDIA just lost $500 billion last week. I want the movie. I want the headlines. Think about who's been put in front of you guys and why they've been put in front of you. Listen, Bill Pulte, I don't know you from a pile of dog shit and not. I do know this. You have 0 friends in life. Your family does not support you. Your family's business is the one, your family members, your brothers and sisters and your cousins should be the ones hired to the cabinet, not you. They have more experience than you'll ever have. The only experience you have over them is your partnerships with Elliott and private equity. I know the wash. I know what this is. I'm okay with it. Like, I vote for Trump. I'm like, yeah, Trump's better than the opposing figure. I think Trump wants the best for America. But that's not going to tell me that he's an up-to-up, good standing man. That's not what it comes down to. He's an American. Yes. But how the hell do you think he making billions of dollars in the 80s? How? I'm not saying he's not guilty. I'm not saying anybody's not guilty. I'm just letting you know you're unfit, you're unqualified. I'm not saying I am, but I promise you someone else is. Maybe someone in your own family. Guys, I pay attention to like all things moving, right? I do just crazy stuff, man, whether it be sports, pop culture, investments. And I pay attention to all the companies, and I look at them, and I dissect, and I go, okay, board of directors. All right, this is how they're going to ruin the company. This is what's going on. Like, you guys see what's happening with Kohl's right now. We talked about it yesterday. But when you sit back and you think about retail, just retail in general, everyone's going, Amazon. Amazon's this big. Amazon's like this big in the heat map. Amazon makes, what, $30 billion a year? $30 billion. 1/3 of what Apple makes. But now, what if I took every company that exists, every sector, everything you could ever want and think of, and you say, oh, look at their profits compared to one. Doesn't matter. It's so small, guys. You guys want to exist? You want GameStop to be great? I do too. Okay? But why the hell did they say don't forget, forget about GameStop? Why is every publication why do they put out all these movies, all these docs? For a $10 billion, $12 billion company right now? That's what we're doing? More pointless movies about GameStop. And I've never, and I'm telling you, I've been around for 42 years. I did not see a Toys R Us movie. I didn't see Blockbuster, Sears, JCPenney, Macy's. I didn't see Pier 1 Imports Tuesday Morning. I didn't see Claire's, GNC, Men's Warehouse, Joseph A. Bank, Genisco Brands, Tailored Brands, Hot Topic Express, Structure. No, Safeco. I'm trying to think if I've seen any of these movies. Kmart, did they make a movie? Kmart? Nobody, huh? Big Lots, Big Five, Wilson Sporting Goods. No, nothing? I'm looking for a movie about retail stores that I haven't seen or that I could watch. Robinson's May, Bon Marchi, Federated. No? Damn it. Circuit City, Radio Shack. No? Bed Bath & Beyond? You know why there's no movie being made? Because they won on those investments. They still try to convince you otherwise. I had this theory, right? This theory I have about social media and like how people actually get promoted into the limelight, like how they build their following, they grow, organically grown, what's driven behind it. And I said, oh, well, it's because so-and-so did a retweet. Or so-and-so pushed it out to the people, and these guys partnered up, and they got bigger. And, you know, I always see the things behind it. Always. Always. I was offered to go onto that stage with PP Seeds, Annie and Carol. I was offered by Bill Pulte directly. And I said, no, thank you. You can buy the following. You can buy the partnerships. Bill Pulte's been sniffing his ass up Donald J. Trump's for the last, I don't even know, 8 years. Just following him around like a puppy dog. Same thing he does with Ryan Cohen. But what you can't fake, you can't fake the truth. Plenty of cabinet members have been named and announced over my generations of living, and I know none of them. Just because I happened to interview this guy 20 months ago doesn't mean shit to me. He will make zero difference in this world. His acts of philanthropy are fake. They're not real. I've seen it with my own eyes. And what he calls microtransactions, and not his sex life, microtransactions are all stemmed from the fact that you could give away $100,000 a year and generate 1 million clicks and impressions, and it's going to benefit the company and the platform you choose to do it on. And who owned Twitter? Elliot. So whatever makes you feel good inside, guys, oh, it makes me feel good to give to the homeless. I bet you do it, and I bet you don't have to record it and present it to the whole world. Certainly not on Twitter. But one guy does. For a following and attraction. That's why I call it out every time. How's that philanthropy going? You're worth $100 million and you give away $100 the other day. $200. That's like coming in here and super chatting $2. Bill Pulte. That's right. I'm just letting you guys know. The 2-minute helicopter ride, I don't remember. I don't know which one it was. What was it? Could you hear it? I don't know. I don't know if there was a fan going or something. How fake he is, you just never know. If it doesn't smash the smell test, yeah. That's all we need to know. He's been gone. Yeah, he'll be gone in a week. No, these guys will write it out. These guys will write it out. With the craziest part that you guys have to remember, like, I'm telling you, okay? How many YouTubers do you know? How many YouTubers do you know? How many guys you know have a platform and they're massive or they're not? Like, I'm just saying. And how many people do you know try to get onto their show? Literally, DMs. Hey, can I come onto your show? Hey, can I talk to your people? It blows your fucking mind, bro. Excuse my language, but it blows my mind because allegedly I'm nobody, and my channel is small, like compared to the world, and everyone's always like, hey bro, and I'm just like, what? You guys want to talk to Kid Caribou? Who do you guys want to talk to? Mirkin, Jay, Almo, Ruben? You want to talk to Amber? Like, what's going on here? What's really happening? Am I just stuck in the Matrix, bros? I'm going to be the gatekeeper for a long time. I am. I'm just letting you know now. Rush, I think that's how you say your name, or Rash. I don't know whatever you're spelling. Why did Trump nominate Pulte? Because Bill Pulte's been there the whole time. You have Vivek Ramaswamy, you have Elon Musk, you have this fake mustache and beard of a man, and he masks his philanthropy. You can be blinded by the dollars. A lot of people can. You can't get me. Because if they still had the videos up of Pulte and PP Seeds on a show, you would never vote for that guy. You would never promote that guy, vote that guy, even nominate that guy. Never. I don't understand. I don't understand what the hell's going on. Like, I've telling you now, I've seen some drunks, I've seen some idiots, and this is a man who doesn't promote his family, who doesn't put anything in the life. All he puts in front of you is money. And that's okay with people, I guess. I don't know what business acumen he has. I don't know what he's allegedly done. I don't get it. When you're born on third base, this is the outcome. Born on third base. Don't text and drive on your birthday. It's bad luck. No worries, Amber. 30 and 8 days now. Congratulations. Yeah. All right, guys. So check this out. I'm happy about that stuff. We all know that I was the first one. How about that? All right. Hey, let's just congratulate Bill Pulte. Hey, Pulte, congratulations on your cabinet position. And somebody tell the world that I was the first YouTuber to interview that guy. Okay? What are the chances? Great Scott! It happened. All right. Next news out there. Okay. Watch the chart really quick. Let's see. 27.69. I drew some lines. It'll work out. Who knows? I'll put it here on the 5-minute chart. Yep. Coming. Oh, it fell down even further. Good. Look what we get to do. This is amazing. Yo, T, check this out, T. Boom. It's working, bro. It's working itself. Oh, yeah. Push it down. Hit the limit. And take it to the limit one more time. Okay, good. All right, listen. The chart's there. We don't have to worry about that, right? We're going to get rid of it. Guys, GameStop. Trading right now at $27.71. If you didn't buy any today, that's on you. Obviously, I put my buy order there in the Discord. If you guys didn't see my buy order, completely free. It always will be as far as the information in the Discord. And I should go sign into my Fidelity account. I'm right here with you guys. I don't know what it's up to. I think it was down to like $25,000. Oh, man, that sucks. Only got 25 grand sitting there on the sidelines. That really sucks. Let's see. 25.8. So 25.8, sitting on 932, not bad. Cost average of 24.84. Green. That's all I can tell you. So I'll look at it later. We're going to talk for a minute about another headline. The other headline was, oh man, and I said I was going to prep it and I didn't. And so I'm pissed off at myself. Shout out to Donald J. Trump putting the pressure on Hamas and Israel to work out that treaty deal that they're doing. And then, of course, Biden trying to take credit for it. And he says, Biden says, if I'm not mistaken, he says, they go, hey, Biden, does anything have to do with Trump? Did Trump help get these hostages free? And he goes, is that a joke? And you should see him, bro. But hear this out.
All hell will be paid. All hell must be paid if they don't release the hostages.
Well, do I have to define it for you? Look, all hell will break out. If those hostages aren't back, I don't want to hurt your negotiation. If they're not back by the time I get into office, all hell will break out in the Middle East.
Can you elaborate?
And it will not be good for Hamas, and it will not be good, frankly, for anyone. All hell will break out. I don't have to say anymore, but that's what it is. And they should have given them back a long time. They should have never taken them. There should have never been the attack of October 7th. People forget that. Steve's got a job to do. He's a great guy, great negotiator, great person. They respect him over there already. But we have the right person. But I tell this, I don't want to hurt the negotiation. If the deal isn't done before I take office, which is now going to be 2 weeks, all hell will break out in the Middle East.
All hell will
Before
be
I
paid.
take office.
All hell must be paid if they don't release the hostages.
I get excited. It's like a dude calling his shot. He said, hey, yo, you don't pull them back, bro. I'm fucking you up on sight. And I love it. Because you know what? They believed him. They believe him because he's about that. So he's the realest man on the planet. You should know this. And that's why I love him. From a business standpoint, I don't give two shits. The man, the American that he is, look at that. And Biden, stop trying to take credit for this shit. Tired of it. The market loved it. The market loved the CPI data that came in weak, not as heavy on inflation itself. And then, of course, turn around on the market. Second half of the day looked amazing yesterday. Closed out strong. They were up. Officially, the market is up for the year. And the Russell 2000 is even battling back with the small cap companies. So there's a lot to look forward to. It looks like they're going to price in some cuts now. They're trying to. Guys, I don't care about any of these numbers. I don't care about damn CPI data. I don't care about jobs report number. I don't care about interest. And I care about you, and I care about GameStop. That's it. The 10-year yield, the treasuries, is the way it's coming back is it fell down about 10 basis points, sitting around 4.6 right now. So is it going to head towards 5? I think it still can get there. I think it can get there, and it's gonna take a hard turn if they're going to put the pressure the minute Donald Trump starts speaking on Monday. If you guys are not prepared for Monday, it's 4 days from now. You are going to be rudely reminded of just how much a speech can impact the markets themselves. So we'll hear the inauguration speech. We'll hear how bad the tariffs are going to be input. We'll see the Canadians fall apart if they're going to fall apart on this. But as far as Americans go, get ready. Just get ready because it could be turbulent. I'm looking forward to the housing coming back down, reasonable prices. Roberto, that's going to be tough. It's going to be tough, and I'll tell you why it's going to be tough. Because there's so much equity. There's so much equity in the markets today that people are willing to borrow off of that. You don't want to refinance your house? Not right now because the rates are so high. But as the rates come down, there's inherent built-in equity, and people are going to try to go get it. This is the difference between the housing market today than what it was in 2007, 2008. So we'll see. We'll see how it all works out. I mean, I guess it's like 85% of people have a lower interest rate than what's being offered today. So why the hell would they? Right? But the other part about this is going to be inventory. Inventory, certainly in California, with the fires happening in Pacific Palisades, it's going to give the optics like these guys are trying to move out of town and or they're going to hold hostage. Did you see the rates get increased in rent and hotels in LA? They're price gouging right now. No problem. They'll do it all damn day. Can't happen in Florida, but it'll happen in California. And now you also have a mad dash on air purifiers. Because of the fire and the smoke in the air and the haze that's hanging over LA, it can't burn through all that smoke. People are buying, they're ridiculous. They're buying more air purifiers than you could ever imagine. I'm talking about all over California. So there's an industry that somebody needs to go look at for an uptick. But for me personally, I don't care, man. I live near the Salton Sea. If you guys don't know the world of the Salton Sea is the largest body of water in California. Now, it was built off the fact that the Colorado River overflowed one time. And as it overflowed, and you had this huge body of water, salt water, they had a city called Bombay Beach out here. And Bombay Beach was awesome. It was resorts during the 40s and 30s and 50s, even the 60s. They were skiing. They were doing all this stuff, right? But during the 40s and 50s, what people don't know, unless you watch the Octopus Files on Netflix, which you don't know about where I live in Southern California, this is the hotbed of testing illegal weapons for the U.S. government because it's Indian land. They feel that if they do the testing on Indian land, it's legal because you're not doing it on U.S. soil, right? So even nuclear bombs were tested out here. Everything. So the radiation, everything, through the rains and everything that come down from the desert, it actually made all of the chemicals fall into the Salton Sea. And the Salton Sea is now a huge toxic pit. And they've tried to pass dollars after dollars after dollars on bills, whether it be Mary Bono or Barbara Boxer or Dianne Feinstein. Somebody's always tried to do a bill where they're going to throw money at the Salton Sea. Here's the problem. As the Salton Sea, as we were growing up, we were young, you couldn't go fishing there. You're like, I'm going to go fishing. You can't eat the fish. They're toxic. All the fish are dying on the side, and it smells. The toxins and the smell of the dead fish on a windy day, you get that whole odor, and it's gross. It's a terrible smell. Well, the Salton Sea is now retracting in levels in water, okay? As the water is getting smaller, the toxins flare up again, and the wind pushes out the toxins to the surrounding area. Well, they started digging. They found, lithium? They found lithium in the ground. So now you have so many people ready to put infrastructure of $1 billion just to dig this lithium out of the ground. So they're telling you this value is going to go up where you live. Everything's going to, and I'm just like saying to myself, I've been bringing in all this toxic air for years. It just made me strong as hell. I'm okay. I'll be all right. But that's the life that we're living out here. And I don't want to say it's like Hinckley and, Aaron Brockovich type style, but because, it's not that drastic. But I'm telling you now, people need to pay attention. Pay attention to what real estate is really worth in California, how rare it is, because you don't have running water. You don't have electrical lines to all these other places like Borrego Springs, and even down in Mecca and Thermal Lake. It's not as glorious as people want it to be, but they're trying to make it that way. Guys, they're building a Disney city in Rancho Mirage where the homes are $2 million, $3 million a piece, and this Disney city has a public beach. They put in their own private lagoon. The lagoon's the largest lagoon in the world. Crystal clear water. Disney-themed streets and restaurants and fields. It's called Canto or whatever, Cantino or something. I don't even know. But this is what they're building where I live. And it's like, I'm not moving there. I'm not $3 million, $2 million for what? My wife's like, we got to live there. I said, goodbye. Go marry somebody who's going to put you in there. Me, my GameStop money's going elsewhere. Bro, GameStop's money's going to go to a Winnebago, and I'm cruising the strip, bro. I swear to goodness. Marantz, is it sleeping into the ground? It's seeping into the ground. Yeah, it's already there, man. It's been there for years. I'm looking to leave LA. Air is trash out here. So much ash and pollutants. There we go. Everywhere. Yeah, Roberto. Good luck, man. Good luck. I tell you, look at Upland. Look at Highland. Look at like Redlands area near Big Bear on the base of the mountain. Look on that side of California. Anyway, Marantz is the Sultan Ahmed and Ryan Cohen and on the picture. Who is the Sultan Alamid? That's what you're asking, right? Can you look into TMC? I have so many other stocks to look up. I guess I can get to them eventually. Before we get to the Sultan in the picture with Ryan and what was posted on LinkedIn, I want to tell you guys a couple things. I was reading about these distressed credit funds and how they have the continued funds, okay? If you guys are not familiar, these private equity firms they have the GP, general partner, okay? That's the man who manages the fund. And then you have all the limited partners, the LPs, and they all put money into the fund. And this one person controls it. And usually the way it works is they have all this money, they feed it up, and then they go ahead and leverage companies out of their positions, okay? And that's how they make profit. They make profit based off the fact that they're going to sell whatever portions of these companies they bought, they're going to sell it to another private equity firm for an elevated price, an increase in price. So they're going to sell it to them. These guys are going to sell it to someone else. He's going to sell it to someone else. Everyone gets their parts because it's not about making money off the transaction. You're going to make money anyway. You're going to make money because somebody's going to agree to buy it for more. This is the Ponzi side of it all. But where it all falls down is everyone gets to take their bonuses. They get all the cash on hand. They get to do everything. Only people who lose here are going to be those publicly traded companies and then the public shareholders like ourselves. And then, of course, any creditors. The creditors might not get paid in full, but there's enough assets to unbalance it, just like Kohl's is sitting right now on $17 billion worth of assets. So you'll see this happen, rinse and repeat throughout. But right now what's being reported is that the distressed credit funds, the continued funds, they're running out of money and they're running out of time. They don't have, because at some point, guys, and I try to tell this people, the money has to stop or you got to keep printing more. But everyone doesn't, I mean, they're not going to have any money to spend anymore. People are not going to have it because as liquid as you want to be, you have it locked up. Hell, I have my money locked up. The majority of you guys have your money locked up, even if it's just in GameStop. But like, look at what they're doing. What games can they play? It's going to be really tough. It's going to be really tough if interest rates stay where they're at. They stay locked in high, and these guys can't do a new deal. There's not new deals being made. So I would pay attention to that part. The new deals being made are not going to be done stateside. I'm just telling you now, no deal that you guys want to see as in a business standpoint is going to be here. India and the Middle East. Those are the unconquered parts of the land. Those guys have forever money. There's energy and there's liquid in the ground. There's gold in the ground. They are the only ones. The Saudi Arabian princes and kings and Iran and Iraq and even Qatar, okay? And this flag flew in Qatar, just so that we're clear. Okay, I know a lot about Qatar, but these are the places that have infinite wealth right now. They're not America. America is strapped. America is tight. And as liquid as you think they are, I'm going to show you 20 companies that make up the whole damn GDP, and there's nothing you can do. There's nothing. You're going to keep pumping these companies, and these companies are eventually going to get too heavy, too big. They're going to be roamed. They're going to fall apart. They're going to fall over because they can't. There's no profits. You're not showing me profits, guys. You're showing me spending. And until people can, interpret the two, you're showing me spending. Hey, guess what? Microsoft spent this much money into the infrastructure of AI. Facebook, Meta, same thing. Google, same thing. Right? And Apple, same thing. Everybody's spending cash. And that's giving one company profits, NVIDIA. But they're getting value based off of what they're buying. But if I'm buying something that's obsolete within 6 months, how much value does it really have? You're setting up for AI today, but AI today is not. I mean, could you imagine if we were buying things for the internet in 2000 versus what they are today? Like, what's the price difference here? Infinite, because the technology's gotten better. The infrastructure is totally different. You have the invention of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi did not exist. Bluetooth did not exist until they reverse engineered these damn spaces, these UFOs. Because, I mean, how the hell did they come up with these ideas? I've got an idea. No, really. I've got an idea. Let's make a computer the size of a brick, and this little computer here is going to be able to do everything you want it to do, right? It's going to do everything you want it to do. You can touch it with your finger. It's going to open. You can go right there. You're going to just scroll, hit a button, and you're going to be able to do your banking, your cell phone, your apps. Everything's going to be in here. In here? Here. It's going to go in everybody's pocket. Like, I'm telling you guys, there's no way. There's no way that this correction doesn't come. And then when it comes, it's going to hit hard, guys. Pay attention to an ETF called TOPT. Okay, the top 20. Pay attention to that ETF, please. I can't help out everybody. Sultan Alamarafar, whatever his name is, okay, is looking at GameStop with Ryan Cohen. Is Ryan Cohen starting GameStop in the Middle East? I would say no, KCR. I would say no. I think they're thinking bigger than that. See, what if they find a way to get backing, financial backing, and they have a way to get more product than anyone could ever imagine? Right? If you're listening, you need the talent, you need the inventory, and you need the plan. They have the talent. They have Ryan. They have Larry. They have the whole crew. They just need that damn inventory. And it's hard to get inventory. Certainly like on Pokemon right now, Prismatic. How can we? How are we going to sell it online? How are we going to sell it in store? We got to limit how many we sell to a person. Imagine if you didn't limit how many you sell to the person. Imagine if you could just go there, you know what? I palletize this. I'm not going to hand stack it. I'm going to palletize it. I'm going to sell by the pallet, not by the box, not by the... Okay. How many pallets could we sell? It might get a diluted form of the card. You might not get as much value, but then people will stop that bullshit, right? Okay, well then what are we buying? Do we elevate the price? Is there more profit to be made here? What if they elevated the price? Would people still buy it? You have to find that equilibrium for value. And I think GameStop's looking for it right now. Many says that the crypto market is going to explode because of the fact that Gensler will be out. Mikkel, every time you come in, you talk about crypto. Every time you come in, you talk about crypto. You don't talk about GameStop. You don't talk about anything that we talk about here in this channel. Every time you come in, you talk about crypto. Okay? I'm going to tell you something, Mr. Sphere. Push your bullshit somewhere else. Because no one is saying that crypto is going to go out of this world because Gary Gensler's getting out. Gary Gensler is supposed to be the friendly guy. The guy, you know, he's okay with crypto markets. He was supposed to be in 2021, right? Hell, isn't that what he pushed over at Harvard or where the hell he went to school? He was a teacher, right? You didn't know that he was partnered up with FTX? His counsel's a counsel of FTX as well? You didn't know that part? FTX, his parents? Nah, man, I ain't got time for this. Anybody pushing crypto needs to push themselves out the fucking door. I'm not talking about these schemes and these scams that these people push. I can't. You're in the wrong environment. Who said anything about AMC? Let me see somebody say something about AMC. AMC looking great to me. There you go. I didn't even realize that. Year over year. What is this shit, dude? What are these people? I've been in it this year. Looking great to you? I'm telling you guys, this stock is looking great to you. Hold on, this stock right here. We're on the weekly. That looks great to you. That's the weekly chart. How about the monthly chart? That looks great to you. $3.59 after a reverse stock split of 10-1. 35 cents a share. That looks great to you. The previous high of 2021, it was $3.93. 99.9% down. This is outrageous. You're outrageous, kid. Huh. I mean, that chart looks so bad. Stevie Wonder's like, oh, it looks like a good thing. Yeah. Helen Keller, she said, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, guys. That was wrong. I'm sorry. That's the thing when I grew up. Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm sorry. There used to be like a joke, like, Helen Keller's dog's name is... do you know Helen Keller's dog name? I'm like, no. Neither does she. No. Yeah. Some people's kids, I tell you, man. Yeah, get out of here. Oh, man, I'm good. Okay, are we good? I'm sorry, guys. You guys, my joke. Hey, are you guys serious right now? That's the one that got you? That's the one that, oh, he went too far. Not this time he went too far, man. Man, you guys are weak. You guys are weak, man. All right. And I got so much. Oh, I haven't even shown you charts or nothing. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I know they got bots. Everybody does. Back from the gym again. Thank you so much. Man, living the good life. Just get to go to the gym all the time. Hey, should I just leave AMC up on the chart right there? Oh, it looks good to me. If you ever start out the conversation, it looks good to me. I'm like, the hell? I just want to see what it looks like, man. I bought it just to see what it would do. I've heard that before, too. You guys already know. Somebody's out here shopping at GameStop. Good job, man. In the Discord, you guys are awesome, actually. It says here. Oh no, I'll leave that one alone. We're good. I don't get involved. I don't get started on that stuff. Okay, and we're good on the rest. So I can get back to my headlines. Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't know what the partnership with the Saudi Arabian Sultan and Prince. I don't know what that's all going to come out to, and I don't know why Kevin Malone started talking about fidelity. My dogs are going crazy. What the hell are my dogs doing, bro? Do I gotta go out there? Yo, my dogs are going crazy, bro. Do you hear him? That's Lovey. Yo, hold up, Lovey. I'll be right back. Hold on. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go see what's... Do I? Oh, man. Lovey better calm down, bro. Man. Letting my daughter handle it. My daughter brought me Jack in the Box, bro. I said, just give me a Coke Zero. Oh, makes my whole thing. All right, we're good. They stopped barking. I don't know why he went crazy like that. Didn't know it. Well, oh, man. Okay, I got to get up and go see what's going on with him. If I don't, what do, right? All right, let me go check on him real quick. Oh, they're fighting. Him and Tito. Tito will kick his ass, bro. What is wrong, man? Been a beast for a long time. Tito's my dude, right? Tito's my right-hand man, pots and pans. And Tito goes out here trying to get some loving. Maybe he was just trying to get a sniff. I don't know. Lovey was letting him know she ain't playing that game. And that's basically what it was, okay? So, Lovey looked him dead in the face and was just letting him have it. And Tito just standing there like this, all sad, it's like a dude who asked a girl out for the first time. You know, Noisy Corax, you don't know this part, but I know Tonko does. You just go, hey, girl, I like you. You think we can get a bite to eat sometime? I'll never forget this. Okay, guys, let me tell you, okay? True story. All right, check us out. So once in my life, long time ago, I was like, yeah, I'm just going to go over there and talk to her. And I'm just going to say some whatever. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm going to say. I'm just going to be like, whatever. So I was like, yeah, what's up? She was like, oh, yeah, we're going to Vegas. Right? Tell me like that. Over the phone, they told me. We're going to Vegas. And I just said it like that. I just said, oh, you going to Vegas? Who? You? Yeah, me and my girl, we're going to Vegas. Blah, blah, blah. I was like, oh, that's so cool. I was like, you guys need a third wheel? And she said, yeah. Hold up. Hold up. Listen, I wasn't serious. I was just talking. But when they say yeah, then you're like, shit, I guess I got to do it. All right. Yeah. I ain't got no clothes, no toothbrush, nothing. I'm driving to Vegas. Right there. Okay. After work? All right, let's do it. I'm down. That's crazy. That's the life you live. Say some shit and wait till they tell you. You know, there was this one time, I'll never forget, Rico told me this story. Rico was out here talking shit on TikTok, right? TikTok, rest in peace, come Sunday, I don't know. But Rico was on TikTok and they were live and whatever. And we were all playing League of Legends. And the girl goes, Rico goes, because I could hear him, he tells the girl, he's like, or no, he was typing it and then he's telling us, and he goes, yeah, you're disgusting, your room's filthy, pick it up and clean it up. And the girl goes like this, you can hear her, she goes, yeah, and then she hit the button and said, go live. He's like, what? She's like, let's see your room, buddy, go live right now, let's see what your room looks like, do a 360. She's like, pull up your room. And it's like, huh? Yeah. Rico did it, because, you know, that's who he is. Rico ain't got nothing in his room. Rico, people don't know, Rico sleeps on a mattress. On the floor, blow-up mattress. That's it. He got a blow-up mattress and a desk. And 4 white walls. He ain't got what you guys think he does. My point is, when they call your bluff and they call you out on your shit, show up. If you click me right now, you said, Marantz, show me your... I'll be like this. You really don't want to see that side. You really, man, I probably got some dirty clothes over there. I probably got, you know, like, I'll be like, man, I don't know. I'm living. I'm just letting you be aware of whoever you're casting stones at. Be aware and make sure you clean up your stuff. This guy says, Batman. Hey, Batman. Like, I get it, man. I get it. You private equity kids come in, like all you paid shills. Literally paid shills. I've already proven that they actually pay people to come infiltrate chats and channels and steer conversations and what you guys do. Like, I see what you just wrote right there in the text. And I'll tell you what he wrote, okay, just so everybody can listen. He says, in the text, he says, Marantz, sell your blank shares and put it into GameStop to show your loyalty to GameStop. Hey, Batman. Here's what I'm going to do for you, okay? I'm going to go over here to my live show, okay? And I'm going to create an invite. This create an invite thing is going to be where you're going to click. All right, Batman? So I want you to go ahead and click on the link I just posted in the live chat. And it's pinned to the top of the chat. Click on that link. Come tell me what you think. Come talk to me right now. But get your name ready. Get your camera ready. Let's have this conversation. Because I've let you into the intricate and personal parts of my life. The intimate details of what I do for a living. I have no choice but to defend myself on that point because I had people follow me and try to attack me at my job. Could you imagine the stress it put on my family to get doxxed into the internet because I put out information about Bed Bath & Beyond and I was correct in trying to help and save thousands of people millions of dollars? And then you're going to tell me that I need to show loyalty and show you that I have conviction in my investment, as if waking up every day and studying and doing the best show possible. Hell, I get tattooed on my arm. I support the company. I spend thousands of dollars of my own money to give away stuff to the crew here, to the kids elsewhere. Time and energy away from my family. That's not enough of a conviction or a proof. But you want me to go into my retirement account and somehow convince my broker to illegally sell my shares and or vested shares and get profit for them so that I can go buy something else to prove to you that I'm committed to this investment. So go ahead. I'll do all of the above. I'll call up T. Rowe Price and I'll tell them, I don't care about your bylaws or your commitment or your agreement with my employer. I don't care about any of that shit. Give me my money. And let me go put it. But click on the damn link. Click on the link. All I want in return for me to go out there and break laws and do all this shit, I want you to click on the link and come talk to me. And don't use a picture of me as your emoji. Your whatever the hell this is. Batman, a.k.a. Fat Man. You wouldn't do shit but eat a Twinkie, kid. Remember that. I'm not even going to block and ban you. I'm just going to wait for you to show up. Like Kid Capri. We got Kid Caribou in the chat. Kid, what's on your heart? What's on your mind? Speak on it. No? No, kid? No, you okay? You good? Man, I'm telling you, bros. Tell you what to do with your money every day. Stonks Group. Every day. Every day they tell me. You know, I had a guy talk shit about me on another show. Like in the chat. On another show. Says, let me go read it. I want to read it. Because I have it. I just want to read it. You know, I keep receipts. One of those things I do. Where'd it come through? Was it on Discord? Came in on Discord. All right, let me read this right here. It says, and I quote, says, Marantz knows a lot of stuff, but sometimes he's off on investment knowledge. Basic information for people in the industry. James Janney had a purpose, and they frame it from their view. I don't understand what this guy's talking about. But the minute you say some bullshit like this in someone else's channel about me, why bring me up? Why not come tell me how you feel? Keep in mind we have a whole board, not just Ryan Cohen. That's what this person writes. Don't worry. Don't worry. You talk some shit like that to me, I'll find out. By the way, guys, the person, and I'll say it right now, and I hope they show up one day in the chat, J Crispy 8181. J Crispy. I'm waiting. Bro, no new friends. None. Man, I was doing so good on YouTube before I had all these people showing up. All these clowns. Why not stop security like Citadel from halting this again? El Sapito, right? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Keep doing what you do. Oh, I'm still waiting. Oh no, we'll get to GameStop, dudes. Guys, can I tell you guys the stock just stopped today? Is the market closed? It's over at 31? Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. Hi, my name's Marantz, and I came here to dance. I'm not going anywhere. I'm off today. I'm going to go pick up my son at school in like 2 hours. And then I'm going to work out. I'm going to work out like you guys hadn't seen in minutes, bros. I'm out here trying to lift. I'm out here trying to get myself back in football shape because I plan on playing in a football game coming up. I got asked to play in a game. So I said, yeah, I'll work on it. Oh, you guys know, I'm trying to bring out the quarterback in me. You guys have seen me. I mean, I actually look the part. You know, I'm out there. I am convinced. I'm convinced that I could throw better than half the dudes in the league, bro. Convinced. I've been there. Take screenshots of bots and shills all day. Up and to the right. That is correct. I hope GME can stay at this range for my next paycheck. DC, maybe. You tried to talk, but you don't think I could hear you. Oh man, now you got difficulties. Now you got difficulties. That's not good. Let's see, kid. You're not muted. It's got to be your microphone. You unmute yourself. Then you'll be able to talk. Oh, guys, remember when I said yesterday? Fidelity. This fucking guy. You know, Kevin Malone is ass backwards, bro. All constantly pushing his own shit is one thing. You know, just stick to the basics and stick to the fundamentals of GameStop. I tell everybody this. Just stick with the business. You guys want to get all wrapped up in the world of FTDs and bullshit ass markets and what they do and what they don't? Nah. I don't have time for that. I'm positive people will take profit from Bitcoin and pump GameStop. Okay, there you go, El Sapodillo. Hey, El Sapodillo, I never heard about you a day in my life, okay? But when you start talking Bitcoin bullshit, even to say something, just keep it down, okay? Just keep it down. There is no profit in Bitcoin. Oh no? You don't know this part? Did you buy Bitcoin at 15 grand? When it was down at 20 grand, did you buy it 2 years ago? Remember when it had a retraction from 60 all the way down to 20? You didn't buy it? Whole world was panicking. Oh my God, I don't know what's going on. Oh no. Or did everyone just start buying it right now at 90? There's profit to be made here. So I put $100 and it's 100,000. It went up to 108. I made $8. Get out of here. This is so stupid. Why would you have to take profits from Bitcoin and put them in the GameStop? Why wouldn't you just take money into GameStop? I don't understand. What the hell is going on here? Why do I need to have profits to put in? How did I ever get those profits? I had to put money into something and then it generate a return for me. And then that is the deciding factor of what I get to put into GameStop. How about that original money I put into whatever to give me this profit? Why don't I just put that in the GameStop? Why is that? Why is this such a hard concept? All these dudes, I'm going to make some profits off of this and I'm going to go take them over to get. What profits? What? I saw a dude who claims he supports GameStop and he had contracts for this week all the way up at $35 and $40. And we're talking about thousands of dollars of contracts. Hundreds of, it was crazy. I was like, what the fuck are you doing, kid? You trying to hit it? You're trying to get me. You lost all that money? You don't respect money. And that might be a sign, though, kid. Hey, Kid Caribou, that might be a sign, man. If you can't talk now, you think you downloaded any malware? Like downloaded some website? Were you on some websites you weren't supposed to be on? What happened, bro? Just put it directly into GameStop. GameStop is going places, exactly. That's the point. Do you believe GameStop sells income for Italy in Q4? I don't know exactly what you mean by that. If I'm reading that correctly, what do you believe is the GME sell income for Italy in Q4? Oh. I don't have a clue. They don't break it down like country by country, but it's okay to sell your AMC for GME. Who has AMC? I'd rather you not. I'd rather you not do it. I'd rather you never sell AMC to go buy into GME. I hope you never do that. Because if you're in AMC right now and you have to sell it, you're an idiot. I don't know what other term I can use, but you shouldn't be in the stock market. That's all I'm going to tell you. Can you hear me now? Obviously not. The hell? What, am I being punked, bro? Now you don't know how to do stuff. Frankie, what's up, babe? Buy GME and hold. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Pretty simple for me. I agree, Frank. I appreciate you, man. Frank's a good-ass dude. He was in my one of those public giveaway videos that we did. He was there. Oh, in the chat, in the channel. Kid Caribou gave up. He said, I'm out of here, bro. I can't talk to Marantz. Remember a few weeks ago when I was like, AMC going to be about $350 soon? Yeah, of course. Of course we remember, sir. All right, let's go look at GameStop, guys. Or it's gonna be Kid again. Hey, Kid, you know what happens, bro? Like,
Well, I'm here. Can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you, Kid. What's going on?
Oh, good.
All right, we got Kid back in the place to be. So, what's on your heart? What's on your mind, Kid? What's going on?
Nothing much. Other day at the races. The Ratchets.
Dude, you are you're extremely gifted in your delivery and your efficiency on the internet. I'm telling you, man. I've seen great work. So I'm a fan of you, Kid.
Look, I apologize if there was any issue with some of the guys in the Discord. I think we were just having a difference of opinion, and I think it'll pass as time goes by.
Sure. You want to tell them what you did for graduation? They
What
don't
I
believe
did for graduation?
Yeah, they don't believe you graduated high school.
Graduated from what?
High school.
I graduated in 1970.
1970.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. What were you listening to back then? Jackson Brown?
A little bit of everything. Jackson Brown, M5, Steppenwolf, Led Zeppelin.
Yeah, Van Morrison. Good job.
Oh, yeah, I mean, a little bit of everything.
See, guys? He's really old, guys. Come on now.
I didn't get into smooth jazz until about 20 years.
That's cool. Well, hey, listen. Jay is working out right now. We all know Jay. Whatever Jay's doing, we're going to support. Okay? Jay's our guy. Jay has over 100,000 shares of GameStop. Jay's my man.
Who?
My man, Jay. Who? What do you mean, The Who? The Who was a good band, too. See, I'm trying to...
100,000 shares?
More than that. What are we doing? What are we doing? Are we checking people's pockets? He has 51. These guys don't believe it. All right, look at that. Come on. We post positions.
Aaron said she wasn't even born in 1970.
I'm trying to tell you. The best part about Jay is Jay needs a theme song right now as he works out, guys. So let's give him one while we go. Here we go, Jay. Just for me to you, Jay. I got you, bro. I lied.
Thanks, Marantz.
Anytime, Kid Caribou. You know what's up, man. Open lines for you guys. Max, okay? 1 second. Ooh. No. Yeah, I knew he was going to play again, bro. I already knew it. All right. So you guys see Max up here? Max Born? So Max Born is like this famous German scientist, right? Was a German-British theoretical physicist, whatever, who was instrumental to the development of quantum mechanics. So he was an absolute brilliant man, okay? PhD, blah, 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 the smartest man during the World War I and World War II deal. He was born in 1882, I apologize. And his place is a radio operator in whatever, in World War I and all this stuff, right? Guys, this is the most famous man, part of those quantum mechanics worlds, okay? Max Born. Bet you didn't know this. Max Born is the grandfather of Olivia Newton-John. Okay. Actual grandfather of Olivia Newton-John. So Olivia Newton-John ain't even the most famous person in her family, bros. And she sold 100 million records. Shout out to my girl, Sandra Dee. 27 years old when she made that film in 1980. 1978? Grease? Grease might have came in 78. I can't remember. 78? Yeah, because Xanadu was 1980. Boom. You guys don't know this stuff about musicals? Yeah, man, we only watch Saturday Night Fever, man. Yeah. It keeps you running. I don't know that song too much, really. But I got Frank in the chat. Kid, I'm gonna sit you down on the sidelines for a minute. Frank, how you doing, sir? What's going on? You can just unmute yourself, Frank. You're good. Turn your mic. You're in, bro. You're in. Batman is back? I'm done? That was a bad doo-doo. Huh? Yeah, what's up, Frank?
if I unmuted it or not.
Yeah, you're good now. Oh, he says I was benching. My bad, bro. Yeah. Hey,
Yeah,
Frank.
he was bench, dude.
Yeah, are you guys hanging out? You guys working
Jay
out?
is. I'm not with Jay right now. We had dinner last night, though.
Oh,
The
wow.
major.
Wow, how'd that go?
Good, man. I haven't seen him in a minute. It was good to see him, catch up a little bit.
There you go.
I never really got to tell you my backstory with Jay, but Jay
No.
changed my life, man.
It's good. He's changing my life every day. Keeps me motivated. Guys
Yeah.
like that keep me motivated. No doubt. That's good. If you ever want to speak on it, you know, it's a platform you can do it. I don't care.
Yeah, so Jay, let's see, it was about like 2010 or so. My wife bought me a Groupon to go to Jay's boot camp in LA.
Yeah.
And dude, I worked out with him for like 10 years. And we had a great thing going in LA. We'd show up at the park at 6 a.m., 3-4 days a week and work out. Jay is a beast. Let's just say that.
Yeah, he's a man.
So it does not surprise me he's slinging around those 100-pound dumbbells right now.
There you go. There you go. So yeah, no issues on that one. Just, you know, I tell people like the positions, the size of positions some of the people have in the chat, and they have no idea.
Yes.
They have no idea. I got a guy out there sitting on 40,000 shares in Israel. I got another guy. I mean, guys, you know, the mods of the channel, 4,000 or 5,000 each. I mean, it's a great time to be alive, to see all the GameStop investors everywhere, and other dudes with like 10, 20, but then, you know, 100,000 here. I remember my boy Pepper was has 100,000 shares. Just a lot. There's a lot of shares out there. But you know, I don't tell you. Anybody believe that he has all the shares and the cost average is like under $15, $16, something crazy, man. What are we gonna do?
Well, I only have 51, so
There you
I'm going
go.
to just
I
sit
love
on them.
Frank,
And
you
then
and I
it's a
both,
funny thing. I buy more shares, and when I look in my account, it's still only 51 in there.
I love you, man. I love you. It's crazy adoption, huh? It's crazy. It's a crazy concept. If people only
It
knew the
is.
truth about what we've been doing and why we've been doing it. You know, you've had the misfortune of seeing me in person and seeing me face to face, and you know, for someone to question my allegiance to what I'm doing, and like, you know, like Batman did earlier, it's like I can't prove to you anything, you know, but the money's there, and the conviction's there, and the content's there. But you know, those other positions I have, it's my retirement account. I can't do anything about it unless I quit my job.
I get it. So why is that a misfortune that I got to meet you in person?
You know, these guys, once you meet me, then you're like, he's a normal guy. He's a real guy. That's the way it goes down.
Yeah, I bet if you met Elon Musk, you'd think, yeah, he's just a normal guy. Puts his pants on in the morning just like
You're damn
everybody
right.
else. You know, he's just a guy.
That's my. I don't know. I saw Trump from afar, and I was in awe. I was in awe.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, YMCA came on. That fool was dancing, and I was just like, "Yo, man, this is crazy. This is crazy."
That is crazy.
Yeah,
That is
but
crazy.
if you get the chance to go
Hey,
to a Trump
man.
rally, you do it.
I heard, was it yesterday or day before? You were talking about your wife got you some tickets for JT on Monday
yeah.
night.
Yeah, babe, I'm gonna be there front and center, and we're going early. We're gonna go like 2 hours early. The minute the doors open, I'm there. I'm gonna be on cloud.
All right, I'm gonna look for you. I'm gonna see if I
There
can
you
do
go.
something for you, brother. I'll
There
be
you go.
working, so I'll find you.
Yeah, I'll be somewhere. Well, you know, I know I'm gonna be wearing a GameStop something and a Haas hat. I know I'll have that on. So be the.
All right, well that'll be you'll be easy to spot. What time? What entrance are you coming in?
Oh, I don't know. I have to see.
All right.
I don't have the. She has the tickets, so she has them like on an app. You know, I don't ever physically touch anything, but I just know that we're going. That's what I do know. So.
All right, you're wearing your Be the Haas hat.
Oh, without a doubt. I wear Be the Haas every damn day. It's because
Yeah.
how else are you going to be a boss if you're not going to wear the Haas? That's it.
Dude, I've been rocking mine at the golf course. I bought the one that's white with the blue braid
Yep.
with the USA flag.
Yep, I
Um,
got that one.
That's my favorite one, so I rock that one pretty much every time I play golf now.
Just got to do it, man. Got to do it. Well, I appreciate you,
Yes,
Frank.
sir.
I'm going to get on with the show. You know, I appreciate
You got it, brother.
forever. And if you guys don't know Frank, Frank's my man. Pots and pans. Thank you so much, Frank. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. See you soon.
Likewise. Frank's in town, guys. He lives in the same town I do. And, you know, we frequent some of the same spots. So what the hell? It's GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop, GameStop. Now, Kid Caribou, you're unmuted here, brother. What's going on, kid?
Me.
What's up?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh, good. Yeah, you said you wanted to chat on the side. I have no idea. Hey, but I'm all ears.
No, I'm not serious. I don't chat on the side. Was this like one of those things where I say I'm going to Vegas? I'll be your third wheel. I wasn't serious. Nah, man. I just wish the best for you. I know you're battling it out in the Discord, but it'll put hair on your chest, the Discord. So you just keep doing it.
Only place I don't have hair.
Well, that's the point, man. You got to eat that. My dad used to tell us.
I look like an armpit with eyes.
An armpit with eyes. What the hell? Why did I get a visual right now? That's gross.
Yeah, tell me about it. I have mustache and beard. And
Oh yeah, no.
bald. I'm bald.
Bald. Thanks, bro. Hey guys, he's painting the picture. Oh, you guys think he's not wanting to go live with you? I don't know why they want to talk to you so bad. You're a living legend in the Discord. But no, just keep.
Still long and still fairly intelligent. Still vertical. Still breathing.
There you go. Keep grinding. I appreciate you, kid. But I'm gonna get on with the show. But I just want to say thanks again,
Yeah,
man.
go for it.
Thanks for all the support, and I know you're killing it, man. All right.
All right.
There you go. So that's Kid Caribou, and of course my man Frank came into the chat, and Jay's working out. Jay, I was teasing with the physical. Let's get physical. Even though that song's hot, that song's rocking. I know what it is. All right, we're gonna talk about some stuff. Here we go. Could you please explain having 51 and not having more after you buy? How? KCR83. Been stuck at 51 shares for almost 4 years now. Even when I buy, the count just doesn't move. 51. Okay, so we have we got 100-something people here, KCR. So watch this, KCR. Here's how we do it. Here's how, if it's just you, right? By the roll call, if everyone could type into the chat how many shares they have. I'll do it too. I'll show you. I'll type in. Yeah. Damn, bros. 51. If you had 51, you'd get it. Yeah. Yeah, 51. Everybody's with 51. Somewhere between 50 and 21. Yeah. He meant 50 and 51. I know what he meant. But he got fat fingers. Yeah, so 51. Yeah, damn, dudes. So there you go, Casey. I don't know what's going on with you, Casey. Yeah, oh, there you go, between 52. Yeah, sure. Only 51. Damn, bros. Can you guys imagine? Imagine, when the news calls you, and they're like, how many shares you guys got? They got 51. Look at Garrett Clark with 51 shares. This guy put 4,000. What the hell is wrong with these people? Mr. Incredible, what are you guys doing? You guys, look at this. You're going to get timed out. You're going to get deleted. All right, listen. For all you kids in the back who don't understand GameStop, in this channel, where you have actively, I don't even know, 13,000 investors for GameStop. And there are, I was trying to do the math the other day. I was like, we probably control around $30 to $40 million worth of shares. Just us. If not more. But you got to think everyone has 51 shares. That's what we say. That's our thing. No matter what it comes out to, it's 51. You could say, I have 1,000. Nope, I got 51. And there's a whole story behind that. But it's so organic and it's so real. I don't know how it happened. How it caught on like wildfire. But it took us, we've been doing this for years. Yeah, there you go. Now you understand. So anyone ever ask you, and there's nothing to prove. Like I remember somebody came to me one time, they tagged me in the channel. Yeah, how many shirts you got? And I go 51, and it was just funny as hell. 51? Yeah, I got 51, man. What do you want me to tell you? So the story is, just so that we're clear, 51 started and originated from the fact that I had 50 shares DRS'd on paper. And then I buy 1 share a day every trading day. So it's always 50 plus the one I bought for the day. That's 51. So I just got tired of answering. People would say, how many shares you got? How many shares? 51. Those 50 plus the one more that I buy every day. So that's what we have. And now I don't even have those 50 over there in the computer share. I got rid of them. And I'm doing okay, but 51 is the number. And I don't know what the hell Jay's gonna say. Jay says I got 51. Jay, what? 51 what, Jay? 51 what? 51 Teslas? Get out of here. Getting choppy, bro. Oh, is that what has happened? Oh, I missed some frames. Yeah, okay, whatever. I don't care. But thank you for letting me know. Ruben has 50.99999. He buys fractals to 8, by the way. It's to 8. How the hell are you going to have that many decimals? All right, guys, let's go look at GameStop for a little bit. Here's the website. Right now on the website, I have not checked it now since I've been live with you guys. It has been the lowest total of items for sale on the website that I have ever seen over the last 3 months. 6 months. It was down to 2,060 or 2,040 products. Almost under 2,000. Let's go see what it is right now. Ooh, there's some new cards here. Let's see. Who's this? Tyrese Maxey. Terrible. A 1999 Starmie. 1999 Starmie. Right there for $40. Cool. Rashi Rice autograph, $55. No, thank you. So, look at that. Increased a little bit. 2,120. We're definitely selling cards, guys. Definitely selling cards. I'm excited. As you know, all my cards came back graded. I'm waiting to get them to pick them up at the store. Type in Kobe, see if there's any Kobe cards. Ooh, nope. This is a different Kobe. Kobe Bluffkin. You ain't getting my. And it's a nice one, actually. It's called a Slammy. That's what they call these cards, a Slammy. And big head, little body. Slammy. But yeah, no, I won't be buying that. There's some cards here, though. Got more basketball cards. It's good. I saw a Caitlin Clark card was there earlier. It's probably gone now. I saw a Caitlin Clark card for like $30, $40. Oh, there it is, $30. Ooh, I might have to go grab it today if it's there when we're done. I have no choice. It's a Bowman First Edition, 2022. It's her first card that they ever made. So let me go look at it one more time. It's right there. It's $31.49. PSA 9. Caitlin Clark. Beautiful card. First on Bowman, yeah. So PSA 9 is still good. Means it's mint. $31. All right, let's do this. First, let me go back to the chart. Let me show you the chart so you guys can see GameStop. I don't care. And then it's me. No, to the stage. No, don't know it. Throwing that ass for days. Then we're going up, down with my money. What's up now? It ain't nothing. Hey. Arrives in 2 to 5 days. Wow. Wow. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Sorry guys. I apologize. Sorry, guys. I apologize. Yeah, I bought the card. There it is. You got it. It's coming. Okay. So it's on its way. I ended up paying $38 for Caitlin Clark, PSA 9. Boom. It's mine. And I'm excited. Okay. There you go. It's real. It'll be here. Take that one with me. Oh, you guys don't shop at GameStop? It's just me? Oh, my bad. I didn't have to leave the house. And I got a card I wanted. I've been wanting that 2022 Caitlin Clark rookie card. I know you don't have it? Cool. All right, here's another thing we want to talk about. This is going to be Nick Braver. Nick Braver is a product designer at GameStop, and he writes, I'm looking for a senior product designer to join our team. We're building the next generation of GameStop and needs all hands on decks. If you are interested, send me a DM. And there you go. Product design, job alert, UI, UX. I don't know what UI, UX stands for, but obviously somebody does if they're in that field. And GameStop is hiring for a senior product designer. Pretty awesome. Max Bourne, grandfather of Olivia Newton-John. I don't know how I know that stuff, but you should. Oh, look at this. Relatives. Olivia Newton-John, Georgia Bourne, his other granddaughter. Let me check who she is. Oh. Georgie Bourne for Henry Cow with Lindsay Cooper. She's done some stuff. Cousin of pop singer Olivia Newton-John. This guy had some good offspring, bro. They might all be aliens. They all might be aliens at this point. No? You don't like my tinfoil? Everybody else gets to do it. I can't? Cool. Well, position, we're coming in at 25 grand. We're okay. Man, we were at 31.5. Oh, my God, Marantz, you fluctuated $5,000 down in the last month. You've lost $1,000. Oh, profits that you had, man, what happened? Don't care. The big dog, the OG, the killer. Thank you, Psycho Puppet. Appreciate it, man. I've been hooked on PSA cards. Anyone have any recommendations on display cases? Fuckster, I don't, but it's going to be right behind me. It's going to be right behind me. I'm going to have to clean it. What I want to do is I want to redo all of this and make it amazing and presentable. So I plan to. Oh, UI, user interface, UX, user experience. Oh, that's cool. Thank you, guys. Could be it for him. Yeah, no. Yeah, Jesus knows. There it is. And I like that. I wish I was a gajillionaire by now. Okay. That's fine. The scam, what was that? Scam price is actually 35 cents per. Yes, absolutely. That's the first time I hear you say the story behind it instead of sending people to rewatch Connect the Dots. Vincey, I've said the story behind 51 shares plenty of times. You just got to watch the show more often. Like I tell my buddies who always want to. Marantz, help me out, bro. What's going on, bro? What's going on with the stock, man? What's going on? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, little rabbit. Tricks are for kids. Let's see profits. Let's see what we can do about profits here. Okay. Remember, I was talking about the size of profits on the market. Look at this. So let's go here. So energy, Saudi, oil. $120 billion worth of profits. ExxonMobil, $36 billion. Petrobras, whatever, 24. You'll see Chevron. You'll see CNP. You see Shell, BP. Cool. So there's a lot of profits there. Berkshire Hathaway, $96.2 billion worth of profits. JP Morgan Chase. See, these are some big-ass companies. Bank of China, HSBC, Wells Fargo, Visa, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, Bank of America, and UBS. But look at Amazon. That's what people are mad that we're not that big. We're not as big as Walmart and Home Depot. GameStop's not even on this whole list here. You mean tell me you got Nvidia here driving the world? You got Microsoft and Apple, Alphabet, Meta, Broadcom, TSMC, but you're gonna tell me all this is not? Wow. Where's GameStop? Nowhere. Not even close to being. GameStop's profit, these are profits, okay? GameStop's profits for the year, like $100 million. These dudes are making $15 billion. Why is it that none of these guys have movies? There's no movies about these companies? I saw one about Meta a long, long time ago called The Social Experiment or something. I saw Apple, Steve Jobs, that's about it. Google, nothing about Google. I've never seen a movie about Bill Gates, and I've been looking for him. Nvidia, no movies? Nope. Nobody's ready to do that? Am I crazy for thinking this way? Somebody's got to tell me. Volkswagen, $17 billion. More money than Mercedes. Holy shit. And Tesla. Wow. Toyota, I get, but come on, man. These guys have more. This is profits. Not sales. This is profits. Oh, my God. How the hell are these guys bigger than Tesla? How the hell is Tesla top 7? I don't get it. Am I missing something? So that means GameStop can just be on the list. Or we'll just put GameStop on the list. Bug it. Why not? It's cool. It's a cool little list, bro. Thanks. Let's see if there's anything else worth talking about. Moderna hitting the lowest lows compared to before COVID. Sure. German stocks closed out at an all-time high on the market today. Earlier today, whenever the German market closed. All-time high on the German stock, which is pretty crazy to me. Other part was XRP blasting and closing at all-time high. XRP is at $3.33. Oh my God. I wish Ryan would have put all his money in there. Stupid asses. XRP has a market cap of $190 billion. Why would you go and chase it like everyone else? Why would you go put anything into it? It makes zero sense anyway, but to be that big? No way. Bitcoin's at $1 trillion. Okay. You ever want to hide something? Go do it over there. The market cap of the largest 50 stocks relative to the GDP is at 110%, the highest level in history, surpassing the peak of the dot-com bubble and the global financial crisis. Probably fine. Without a doubt. What does that mean? Too expensive. That means the market's too expensive. If you guys do not know what I'm talking about, right here, here's the chart, okay? So when you were 75% of GDP, negative 17% return over the next decade. Meaning, boom, all the way down, because that's the dot-com bubble, too expensive, all the way down here to the nonsense of the correction of the financial crisis. Now you're way up here now. How far down do you think this market's going to come? What kind of recession do you think we're rolling into? Get ready, Trump, because I don't know how you avoid this damn thing. This shit's getting ready to come down. And when it comes down, you know what emerges? From the ashes, like a phoenix from the ashes. It's Tesla, babe. This was Tesla here. Tesla emerged, and now it's $1 trillion company. But there's another company out there right now that nobody's talking about. Amazon came out of all this bullshit. This is the way Netflix was born. But nobody knows that there's this company out there called GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. Oh, I'm so excited. I want the market to come crashing down. I want the world to get corrected. I hope, I pray. Can you imagine? You're already in it. You're already in the best investment. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let's go look at the charts one time, guys. Are we following the trend line? Are we doing what we said we would do? We're coming next to your X like a W do. Yeah. Let's see what I got. So right here, looks like we're following the trend line. Like we're going to stick with this. Should have a rebound by tomorrow. Feel good about the stock. Somewhere in the middle here. Close out the week. Maybe we go a little lower. It doesn't matter. We'll still be right in there. Pushing the top down. And so by the middle of February, by March, we should be out of here. So middle of February, boom, stock going up. Oh, we're going up, guys. I know you guys think GameStop's going down. It's not going down. It's going up. We're up and to the right. Don't let this retraction confuse you. It doesn't confuse me. Go to the weekly chart. Very healthy growth on the weekly chart. All the way to the top. It still holds true. Here's your support. Here's your push down. We were there. We've been there. Oh, it's going to be glorious. That might just be even better if we go like this. The real top, and then you're going to come through here. You'll have a breakout by the time. Yeah, you'll have a breakout like right here, right after the annual shareholders meeting. Gone. I'm looking for rockets, guys. I'm looking for rockets out of here. Rockets. I'm looking for it. We'll see how it goes. I don't think we can go sideways much longer. I don't think it's possible. I just don't. Look at the chart. The chart's going to tell you if you're going to go sideways much longer, the support is eventually going to come up and take that sideways action. The support's going to come push it up. It's going to go sideways, right? But the support's way down here at the ground, and it's going to go just take it all the way up. Because this at the ground down here, me and you, we just keep buying more. Everyone keeps buying more. And as it goes sideways, you end up going because the water just gets too full. I mean, look at this. We were going sideways for years, all the way down, but then the water got too full. We just filled it back up. Boom. And you took it all the way up. It's coming down. Boom. Coming down. Boom. And we're just going to keep getting up in and out of this zone. This is healthy. This is amazing. Now, when you don't have a drastic increase, like too fast, it gives people time to buy more. I mean, because GameStop offered more shares to the public, those are people willing to buy it at the higher prices. They're going to be hanging on to their shares because they all wanted in. They all wanted to buy in without it hitting lit markets like it did before. And I only know because I look at some other companies that have the same price action. A lot of the same price action in certain Doritos there. So I like the way GameStop looks. This is a monthly chart right here. You're not going to beat this. This is phenomenal what's happening. That's the top side of the stock. That's the bottom side, the support. It can't get better than this. But even on the daily right here, your true level of support all the way down at the bottom, 23.25. Okay, you're not bringing us there. And if you are, where everybody's buying, I'm buying. So I'm excited about that. I saw on video, I'm waiting for Super Microcomputers to come out. I know people want to talk about Hindenburg Research, how Hindenburg Research agreed to shut down their investigative website. Don't worry, I'm not shutting mine down. I know that they announced they were taking short positions on the investments in the Super Microcomputers and Carvana went the opposite way, and then these guys all of a sudden fold up shop. I don't know how it's all going to work out. I just know that I was correct on my investments, and I hope they are too moving forward. But that was announced yesterday that they're going to be getting rid of them. Now, there is a Switch 2 that got announced that it's going to be coming out. I know people are very excited about that. I'm not one of them. Why am I not one of them? Because I just don't care. I don't care enough to buy a Switch. Even though I have one, don't get me wrong. I have one. I've had one forever. Nintendo Switch right here. And, I mean, we play it from time to time. We have all the games, a whole bunch of games. It's whatever. I just, let's see. Boom. I don't even think it's charged right now because we hadn't played it in maybe 6 months. But my son, he's big on Switch when he finds time or when we're traveling. We'll throw him in the back seat. But that's just it. I'm not going to get crazy over it. Somebody was actually watching the show the other day when I actually had that picture. I had that deal of Corey's mom, no more than a fat pig with my thumb in it and saving some money. Somebody actually liked this. Somebody said they wanted to buy it from me. And I said it's not for sale. Just a piggy bank. It's a piggy bank. It's not Corey's mom. It's a piggy bank. That's what I meant by that. Probably just takes money. But who knows, guys? I'm just cruising the internet these days. I'm looking for headlines. Headlines are GameStop's amazing. So sound effects rock. There we go. You're gonna feel the rockets like Carter's corner pocket in my rocket. Yeah. Marantz, I just drank a lemon. But up and to the right. Thank you. Nick right here got his messages deleted. Nick says, "Hi, everything is bullish when it comes to apes." Who's an ape? Hey, Nick, I got my Discord's pinned to the top of the chat. You want to click on it and come talk to me? I'm going to go into the chat real quick. I'm going to make sure you guys all know where I'm at. Prismatic Evolutions has announced that they plan to print more Prismatic Evolutions due to high demand, impact, and availability. I think they're upset with the scalpers. Yep. So you talk to Marantz about GME, but not with Kid Caribou to see how it is. There you go. Easy on Kid. Yeah, you guys are. Can you take it easy on the old man? He's precious, okay? Almost 2 million in GameStop puts were just opened from the Boston exchange floor. The largest was 855,000 on a 50-day put, or on a 50 put expiring tomorrow. Yeah, okay. Got to hold collateral somehow. They got to show it somehow. Ooh, man, that's a really nice thumbnail. Trove, man. Trove be making these thumbnails that are amazing. We'll talk about it in detail, but still. Yes, I know the Switch is coming. I know everybody's excited about it. It was on the IGN. But we'll watch it together. I'm down. There it is. Fire, fire. Direct 4/2/2025. Coming out in April, guys. Coming out in April. Well, that's not too far from now. GameStop gonna kill it with the new Switch. I'm excited. Yeah, you guys see it in my face? New product, new games, new foot traffic. And the same old people that might want to get back into it. Let's see what we got here. Is the retraction part of the scramble for liquidity? Anything's part of it. Switch 2 keeps GameStop alive and thrive for 5+ more years. Hey, Unc, if you know so much about chart patterns and are able to tell in the future, you should consider buying and selling at the most Hey, little guy. When you call people uncle and you're not their uncle, or they're not your uncle, right? You're not my nephew. That's already like a real turnoff for me. But hey, Travis, just so that we're clear, it's not my job to educate you on markets and or price action and or how to invest and what not to. You can take my advice. You can realize that I've missed every opportunity to lose money. I've avoided Bed Bath & Beyond, Mullen Automotive, Kohl's, Big Lots. I mean, what else? Yellow Freight, Carvana. I've avoided a lot of these stocks that are going to end up going bankrupt and or private equity plays. And my GameStop money's safe. What are you mad about again? Did you come into the wrong channel, Travis? I have a chart up today. I haven't even shown what I show on the chart. Every now and then, maybe? Nah, bro. I must not know much. You're right. You should consider buying and selling at the most opportune moments to make most money. I could go to work. That helps me out. Hey, Travis, I got a Discord pinned to the top of the chat. You want to click on it? Come to the chat and talk to me and tell me what I should be doing with my money and or with my platform. I'm here in the chat channel, bro. I'm in the chat channel right now. I'm sitting here next to Kid Caribou, so just tell me, bro. Anyone wants to click on the chat and tell me what's going on, I'm down with that. Maybe I'll learn something. It lowers the depreciation value of their current Switch games because of backwards capability. It allows you to play the old games. Travis Bickle. There you go, Bick. Travis Bickle, this isn't Jackie De La Griff's channel, clown. If you feel that way, Travis, feel free to do it. Do your own thing. He's not a trader. Nah. Switch won, the Switch, sold 146 million consoles and billions of games. Look, it says, Travis, are you lost? You need help finding your mommy and daddy? I bought a Xbox 360 to play Halo 2 because I skipped Xbox. The OG PS3 is so valuable because of backwards capability. This is good to be. Not to be good. Yeah, I don't know if it's worth anything. I got one. It's connected. Got one right now. PS3. Sitting on top of my PS4. Which I got 2 PS4s in this room. Got one right here. Another one. I got one behind me. Look, I just put my hands behind my back. Put your hands behind your back, Marantz. Put your hands behind your back. Look at this. I'm like a damn magician. Yep, there's another one right there. Shit, bros. I got more PlayStations right there. And I got another one. I got 4 over there and a 5 over there. Get out of here. Appreciate you and your hard work. You too, Hostile Takeover. Also, it's a toy. And we're old. Go talk to your kids to see what they want for their birthday this year. No, they're getting a Switch. My son's getting a Switch. Yeah, my daughter watched that with me just now. I want one. Oh God. That dude probably invested in unicorn fart dust. He's saying backward capability will be good, Marantz. Sure. He's saying the future will be a good selling point. Awesome. I don't care what it is, bro. I'll sell Funko Pops to the homeless. If GameStop sells it, I'm buying it. Bro, how many consoles do you have in arm's reach? Like what? Oh, I don't know. I got a Super Nintendo right back here. I got a Nintendo down here. Hell, even I bought my wife one of these little bad boys. Look at this little bad boy. Hey, this shit really works. You plug it in, you get I don't know, like 200 games up in here. But bro, I got an Atari. I got an Atari in the other room. Get out, bros. All you guys out there, okay, I'm just going to tell you, you little punk-ass stock bros, okay? I challenge you, Corey, Tony De Niro. I challenge anyone. You bitches talk about you guys support GameStop. Show me. Show me you're a gamer. I'm a real gamer. Not only am I a real gamer, it'll be whatever they're doing next, I do it. GameStop selling cards. Oh, they're selling cards? Like crazy? Oh, okay, you know what? Oh, they're part of a PSA? Cool. So guess what we got? I got over 1,000 cards right now to give away. Over 1,000 cards to give away. And the plan is to go to the Grand Canyon and give them away. Swear to God. I also thought about putting in some of these valuable cards, right? Like I got some real valuable cards. And just walking around town and take a picture of me, like with a Paul Skeens rookie card, right? And I'm just going to put it like behind some like little rock. But hey, you guys want this? It's going to be right here. Boom. Good luck. Maybe at the Justin Timberlake concert, I just go in there and I put Paul Ski's rookie card just somewhere underneath like one of the seats. And somebody's going to have to go there and find it. Oh, yeah. Xavier Worthy rookie card. Yeah. Casey Washington rookie card. I mean, I just got them all, bros. I don't know what to tell you guys. I just got rookie card after rookie card after rookie card. The only ones I'm not giving away are Jaden Daniels. Reason why I'm not giving away because they're all going to Carter's corner pocket. Look at this. Look at this stack right here. Carter. And I know you got some already. Look at all these damn Commanders. Let them win the Super Bowl, bro. Let's go. It's 1, 2. I don't even count Scary Terry and stuff. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 Jaden Daniels rookie cards from a man that I eventually will mail out. They're all here, bros. All of them. All of them. Jaden Daniels, the MVP of the league. And I'm not talking about the rookie of the year. I'm talking about the MVP of the league. This dude's giving people hope. Started making it look easy. Bro, just walk around, just hand out shit, bro. You guys ain't ready. Backwards capability PS3 haven't anticipated. Yeah, whatever. Bro, the reason why we all bought PS2s and 3s because they played DVDs. Get it right. Eventually, Carter's corner pocket. Yeah. They'll eventually get there. I agree to that. I do agree with that one. Here we go. So we got the partnership going. Is this the headline? Okay, cool. So here we go. So this is going to be, if people want to know the truth about what's about to go down with Ryan Cohen, here's the Sultan, okay? So Sultan Al-Ahmed, whatever his name is, Mar-a-Lago, time for partnerships and prosperity between America, Arabs, and Muslims. And they're doing it, Rose. I don't know who's in these pictures down here, but I bet it's some rich-ass people. But I'm waiting for Ryan Cohen to show up. Obviously, you know, Ryan's from Florida, too. So I'm already excited. I'm extremely excited. So there we go. There's that. Then there's this guy, Kerwin87. I don't know who Kerwin is. But he says Sultan Al-Ahmedi, I don't know his name. I don't know. Al-Madid. I don't know. Al-Madid. I don't know. A finance professional with a background in global investments, founded and serves as CEO of Everest Invest. Is that what it's called? ENVST. A company focused on investment opportunities. Before establishing Invest, Al-Ahmadi worked at the Qatar Investment Authority, QIA, where he was involved in global direct investments, particularly the technology and real estate sectors. In addition to his role at Invest, Al-Ahmad has held notable positions such as chairman of Something Global Acquisition Corp., a special purpose acquisition company, a SPAC, co-founded with the Groupon executives Rich Williams and Steve whatever. Ooh, wow. Given Ryan Cohen's background in e-commerce and technology, particularly with the companies like Chewy and GameStop, a potential partnership with Sultan Al-Madid could involve ventures in the tech investment space, leveraging his investment expertise and Cohen's entrepreneurial experience. And the picture taken and that was posted was by Sultan Al-Madid, and he said, Ryan Cohen, time for bigger and better partnerships. And he put a picture of them two together right there. So building and investing with a great person, that was yesterday's post, guys. Winner team, my friend, winner team. And that's what he is right there. So Jose Rodriguez is the chief AI officer for someone. But these dudes are some rich-ass dudes. These are some smart-ass dudes, some real power players here. Where sand turns to skylines and the future is built. Oh, shit. Wow, so that makes a lot of sense now. Where sand turns to skylines and the future is built. Dude, you got that one whole city, the wall. You got everything being built over there. But in Qatar, man, can you imagine? I can imagine. No rioting, no nonsense. just Qatar. You know, they built up Qatar for the World Cup, where sand turns to skylines and built in the future. Boom, and they did it. And it says, I'm a man of peace. I think that's what it stands for. Cool. No extremists on welfare, no terrorist cells, no backyards are court, okay, no Muslim Brotherhood, no Hamas, no Israel, no Hezbollah, no IRCG, no rioting, no nonsense. Cool. Is that what they think? On the UAE? All right, so we know what's going down. We know Ryan's pairing up with some really big business guys. I'm very excited for it. This one, will they put Bill Pulte next to him? I don't even know. I don't know if this is real, but we're in the bigger circles now, guys, with GameStop. We're in the bigger circles. I'm happy to be in them. And a free IC for AMC Investor Connect. So amazing. We're at it again with another completely free offer to the more than 1 million U.S. members of AMC Investor Connect. A free orange lava burst IC. Yours can be redeemed at your theaters in the end of March. So let me get this right. It's winter time across the world. Winter time across the world. And yes, free icy. There I was, giggling about the coldness of my tongue in my mouth. But I knew it was just AMC. Trash. All right, guys, I got to take off. I'm just hanging out with you guys for 2 hours. I'm not doing much today. Dealing with some bullshit. Yeah, the lines are going to be nuts. Investment bankers are getting those leadership roles. Yep. They're talking about the line. Yeah, I can't wait, man. Can you imagine GameStop being at the line? Called it. I wrote to buy from the older tweet. I was taking a shot from the hip. Good job. Much credit, bro. You put in the work. Long live stream. Chad Clifford, I appreciate you, man. I do. If people ever want to come hang out, we'll see how it goes. Still love Sefred from the movie. I don't even know what that means. It's like the JT movie where you have to pay so much just to even enter over there. Oh, I don't even know. I don't know. I just know that GameStop's ahead. And Olivia Newton-John has bangers. And if you guys don't remember Xanadu, man, or Magic, that was from the movie Xanadu as well. But somewhere out there, somebody told me that the only people that they liked in music was a song that they had to have. It was by Tina Marie. If you guys don't know Tina Marie, then you don't know music. I'll put it to you that way. The baddest bee on the planet. Get at me. GameStop can't stop, won't stop. GameStop on top of the mountain, babe. I don't care if it's $27. I don't care if you don't own enough. 51 shares. That's what we own. If you don't know it, you'll figure it out. Second part, GameStop to the moon. I announced yesterday. Now let this sink through. At the beginning of the show yesterday, I said GameStop's planning, announcing, meeting, working on something huge. And you guys, like some other people, probably said, Marantz, what do you know? And I said, I can't tell you because there's a gag order on me. I'm just letting you know. This is why I smile. Maybe I know something you don't. Just maybe. Have I lied to you? Have I ever led you wrong? In the 4 years, almost 4 years that I've been doing YouTube, and that I've been holding this stock, have I ever taken you down the wrong path? Have I ever done that? I make that video yesterday, and then these partnerships get announced. But wait, there's more. GameStop, can't stop, won't stop. GameStop, it's just business, baby. Square business. Hey, yo. So there it is. If you're still here, great. If you're not, oh well. you miss out on shit like this. The partnership in Dubai, right here. They can now buy GameStop credits. Entertainment. Boom. Buy GameStop. Accept. Type in your phone number. Huh. Oh, we'll see what else comes out of it. All right, I gotta go. Peace.